Hello, welcome to your latest update from the Met Office. A rather grey day for many today. There's some wet weather across parts of the northwest in particular, and we'll all see a spell of wet and pretty gusty winds as we go through the night. That spell of wet and windy weather is going to come from this big chunk of cloud out in the Atlantic. Ahead of it, cloud has been spilling in from the northwest through the night, and it's providing rain and drizzle across Scotland, Northern Ireland, parts of northern England. The odd little bit of drizzle further south, but much of southern England, South Wales will stay dry. But further north, we'll keep the wet weather going, and if anything, that rain's going to get heavier later today across Northern Ireland and southwest Scotland. Some brightness here and there, but generally it is pretty grey, but it's also very mild, certainly compared to yesterday. Temperatures much higher, double digits almost across the board. Still some cold air lingering across the northeast, pretty chilly once more across Shetland. But otherwise, temperatures 11, 12, maybe 13 Celsius. The wet weather, though, is going to pep up through this evening, turning very soggy for Northern Ireland and central and southern Scotland. Then this zone of rain will work its way steadily across England and Wales. Gusty winds as well, heavy showers following on behind for Wales and the southwest. Those showers turning a little wintry over the hills of northern Scotland. You can see this swirl out into the North Sea by the end of the night. That is a developing area of low pressure, and it's bringing with it behind it colder air, so temperatures dropping through the night, but still with the strength of the wind actually mostly holding up at 6 or 7 degrees Celsius. But that swirl, that area of low pressure, does need watching because it is developing as it moves into the North Sea, and just on its back edge the isobars really pinching together there, so it could get very windy through the early hours and into the first part of Wednesday morning across that coast of northeast England. So that's just something we need to keep a close eye on. Could be some very strong winds here, at least for a time during tomorrow. It'll be a cold wind blowing everywhere through tomorrow and bringing a mixture of sunshine and showers. Probably not too many showers in the morning across East Anglia and the southeast, and large parts of Scotland having a mostly dry day. The showers will chiefly be of rain, but some hail is possible, and there'll be frequent showers down the east coast where there will be that strong wind continuing to blow. Some decent spells of sunshine, though, developing for Northern Ireland, central and southern Scotland late on, but it's going to feel cold through Wednesday. Temperatures back to single figures, but add on that wind and it will feel significantly colder, I suspect, than today. Cold enough for those showers to start to turn wintry over northern Scotland later on, mostly over hills, but coming down to lower levels possibly through Wednesday night across northern Scotland. And this zone of wet weather could just slide down the western side of the UK. And that's going to be a wintry mix of rain, sleet and snow. So that's something we need to keep an eye on. You could wake up to a covering across parts of Wales, northwest England on Thursday morning. It could turn things quite icy as temperatures start to fall away. Now, for many, Thursday will be a fine day thanks to a little ridge of high pressure, but then there's more weather systems moving in on Thursday night. And again, if they interact with the cold air, that could, at least for a time, provide some sleet and snow, and then other weather systems waiting in the wings to come in as we head into the weekend. So plenty going on through the rest of this week. Temperatures up and down, some sleet and snow in places, and some strong and gusty winds. Stay up to date with the latest from the Met Office. Subscribe to our YouTube channels and follow us across social media.